how to make and create basketball logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to canva.com, log into your account and click here on create a design and search for logo. Click on logo option and it will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find basketball logo option and click on see all and choose a template right here, any template you want, for example this one, and you can edit everything from here. As you can see, it's very easy to edit, as you can see. And after you finish, all what you have to do is simple, just go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and see you later.